Hello. Well, I'll try and get down here without breaking my neck. I'll show you where we are with this. It's a bit steep. We should get down okay. I'm travelling light and fast today. Hello, come on, I'm here. Oh gosh, I'm here. Oh, let's sort him out and I'll come back to you. That's better. We're back now. I'm travelling fast and light today. Or when I say fast and light, I'm travelling a bit lighter. I never travel fast. We're heading off to the beach. I'm hoping I make it in one piece. It's only when you get further down that you kind of appreciate how steep it is. Goes all the way up and disappears around there. This is what I came for. I'll turn you around, you'll like this. It's absolutely beautiful. Time's getting on now, it's 8:30. And I thought I'd come down here and cook me tea. Just about everybody's gone home now. I'm staying at a campsite at the moment. And I thought it was easier. I'll stay at a campsite and then I can go off and make a couple of videos. This is all going to be a bit improvised, so I'm hoping it works out. Let's cook some tea, I'm starving. Light's starting to fade a bit, but we should be okay. I don't know how well you can see this, but this rock is absolutely crawling. There's all kinds of manner of little things crawling about. Oh, there's another one. Where are they? There's another one there. Got some friends. I brought a little tiny tripod with me. I think it was a bad idea. Let's try and get this done before it gets too dark. I brought the folding Firebox kit with me today. I find it really useful. There are times when I do doubt my own sanity, you know. Come down here, it's getting dark, I'm trying to cook tea. And the tide's coming in, what could possibly go wrong? I tried to adjust everything to get you in. Let's get on with it. Ow, ow. I won't try adjusting that anymore with my finger. What I thought I'd go for, I've got some Polish sausage. We just rip some bits off. Break him up. And the fat from that should come out. Just with a bit of gentle heat. I've got some other bits here as well. I've got some tomatoes. Woo! That old man there, he's had a bit of a battering. I think there's another one somewhere. And I got a few other bits to cut up. This is now my cutting station. So we got some mushroom. We just cut him up rough. Oh bugger. Lost a bit, man down. That bit's for the seagulls. We're off and running. I've also got some wet, sweaty pepper. But we just trim him off, try not to lose him everywhere. Cut him roughly and chuck him in. Trick is with this to do it without getting sand without getting sand everywhere. Oh, we're revving up. Let's have that in as well. It's the first time I've ever tried this on a beach. Oh, it's not going well. Last but not least, we're going for a bit of courgette. This is all a bit winged and improvised today. I like this knife, by the way. I've had it for ages. It's a Leatherman Juice B2. It's very small, but it's got a beautiful sharp blade on it. Could do with an extra inch. Keep your dirty thoughts to yourself when I say could do with an extra inch. Here we go with a courgette. See if I can get that in. Whoa, oh, the whole thing's going. Come back. No. Oh, bugger. No. Oh, fire. Oh. I think we're good now. There we go. Whew. Smells beautiful. No idea how this is going to turn out. I don't even know if I'm going to get it all over the place. This is improvised cooking at its best. To go with me tea, I've got this 6.5% gluten free ale called Phantasma gluten free Indian Pale Ale. As I'm not driving anywhere, I've got a couple of these and I'm going to really enjoy it. Something I've always wanted to do is say, step 2. Anybody who watches Camping with Steve, you'll know what I'm talking about. Oh my word, that's absolutely beautiful. Got this from Marks Expensive. And I say Marks Expensive because these cans are £2.50 each for 330ml cans. I think I've just wasted 50p's worth. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get up all those steps when I finish this. That's beautiful. I just wanted to show you this. The Firebox gas stove with their little titanium spreader plate on. It works so well. That's looking beautiful. That gas is getting blown around a little bit, but it's okay. I think it'll be fine. I don't believe it. It's actually started to rain. I haven't been close to rain for weeks. I come down on the blooming beach. Look. And it's blooming raining. I got no waterproof camera. Don't try this at home, folks. That's so funny. But that's nature for you. I'm being a bit gingerly with this, so I don't want it to plop in the sand. I'll come back to you in a minute. What I'm going to do to finish off is throw in some of this sweet chili sauce with garlic. Absolutely love the stuff, and it doesn't need refrigerating. Nice. I don't usually put myself in such precarious situations. Come back. That's the fun of cooking outdoors. We got rain, we got sand, we got this sliding around everywhere. But we got alcohol and we got good food. Smells absolutely divine. It's a mixture of that garlic chili sauce and the vegetables and the Polish sausage. I think we'll call that done. Gosh, that certainly wasn't easy cooking that up. It looks absolutely divine. There's the Polish sausage. Absolutely fantastic. You got that lovely sausaginess. Sausaginess. Mixed in with the sweet chili sauce and garlic. Oh, beautiful vegetables. I'm really enjoying this 6.5% pale ale as well. I'm really not sure I'm going to make it up to the top of that cliff. This is number 2, by the way. Beautiful. On that note, thanks for coming along with me to this chaotic kind of mess. And if you like all this and you've not been here before, then feel free to give us a like and maybe a subscribe. It would really help. I want to start driving this forward as much as I can. And being able to do more then. Being able to give you more. That's what I want to do. I think I'm starting to get drunk now. Beautiful. I'll give you one last look. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. What could be better? We got beautiful cooked food. We got alcohol. And we got a beautiful scenery and the sound of the tide. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'll see you next time. Info shed out.